Okay, so here I've opened Tableau, and in the initial stage, what happens is you get this connect to data option on the left, you see your saved data sources below, and on the right, you would have a history of workbooks that you've opened. If we click connect to data, this is when we get our options for what we can actually pull into Tableau and start working with. On the top, you have file-based data sources. So these are things like Excel files, Access databases, flat files like CSVs or tab delimited. You can also import stuff from other workbooks. You work on data extracts, etc. Below that, we have server-based data sources. So we haven't gotten into any of this yet, but Tableau Server itself can act as a data source, which is a pretty cool feature for creating a single source of the truth. And then down here, as I scroll down, you'll see we have Amazon Redshift right here, and we have BigQuery. Also have some other cool ones like Google Analytics, and down below we should have Salesforce.com. So other cloud type data sources, even though those aren't what I call cloud big data sources. So let's see what happens when we click on Amazon Redshift. Here it looks very much like a regular database engine. We have to enter a server name, we have a port, which is defaulted for us. We have a database on that server. We have a login with username and password. Once we click connect, we choose our schema or our database, pick some tables, and go from there. Very simple, very straightforward, similar to how we would interact with almost any other database out there. So let's see what it's like to connect to Google BigQuery. I'm going to click on Google BigQuery in my list of server-based data connections. I'm now prompted with a sign-in dialog from Google's web service. I'm going to go ahead and log in. I'm then going to have to authorize Tableau to connect to my BigQuery instance. And now I get an error, access denied. So before you can actually connect, you need to go sign up. Now it's not fair that, Redshift, I had to already do this as well, but I just thought that experience was something to show that wasn't ideal. You get prompted like it's going to work and then you fail.